So Windows 10 officially stopped receiving security updates in October 2025. However, there is a way of getting extended updates. So to do that, you go down here to the Start menu, start to type in check, because we're looking for check for updates. There you can see it's on the menu item. Click check for updates. And here it tells you your version of Windows has reached the end of support. But look here, enroll in extended security updates. At the moment, they're saying you can get this for another year. So we click on enroll now, and it says support ended on the 14th of October, but we can get extended. Now to do this, you're going to have to be able to log in with a Microsoft account. Now I've already got an account, so I would type in my email address and then my password. So it says I'm eligible for the extended security updates at no cost. So if I want to do that, I go ahead now and click on enroll. And this is valid for 1 year, so until the 13th of October 2026, and we'll see whether Microsoft extend it after that. I am enrolled, all done. Now let's see what happens when I hit check for updates. And here we can see that I'm getting an update for November 2025, even though the support stopped in October, and that's because I have the extended updates. As it says here, your PC is enrolled to get extended security updates.